So 50k. Although the stock buggy was exceptionally good at driving, there was one major flaw. It looked absolutely atrocious, it was hideous, and its aerodynamics were horrendous. So, in Pinnacles of Engineering today, we are going to fix that with a $1 mod challenge. And we are going to make it out of paper. The most fuel efficient, yet durable material ever. Okay, so I've beautifully just marked out the shell and we're gonna get there on there right now. Okay. Okay, after some tweaks, this is the shell. I'm not sure which way it goes on, but let's put it on the buggy. You know, I think that actually will work. I just have to, you know, fix it a bit. Big time skip, but behold the atrocious, absolutely beautiful VT1. It has signals, it has a rear boot, doors. Look, it even has a crown on top of it, so like the driver can see. So now let's put this there. Whoa! What a beast this car is. I still have my steering. What a beast. Boom!
Is there a Pro Max?
I can't control it, genuinely.
What's alive?
Oh. Oh no. Get this thing to jump. Oh, come on. Do you mind flipping over my car? Zarr, come on. Alright.
But what do you mean I'm so bored that it's so done?
Oh, come on, jump on. Oh. Fine, I give up. This thing sucks.
Yeah, it's gone.
Yeah, this thing is not making another day. Pinnacles of Engineering.
Pinnacles of Engineering.
Come on, boom. I'm on third gear. Okay, I don't want to kill the car. Look at that. Look at it stirring up all the water. Just letting you guys know I have no control over the car whatsoever. Well, I think that's all for the VT1. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.